Hi, my name is Mason Wilbrink, and this is the introduction to my YouTube channel. We're gonna do gaming, I think. We're gonna do Gmod, I think. Far Cry 4, Grand Theft Auto, Sims 4, Sims 3. We're gonna do vlogs. We're gonna do maybe tech decking, mini boarding, and some other stuff probably. You'll see, like in my gaming video that I'm gonna post, that I already posted. See if you want us to do gaming. That was my first video. Now I'm actually doing so you actually know what I'm gonna do on this YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoy all my videos, and make sure to subscribe, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my YouTube channel, and see you later. Peace.